What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Level Up Classics, where we maintain, modify, and restore some of our favorite classic cars. Today, we're going to be converting our Porsche 964 headlight connectors from H5 to H4. So the 964 normally comes with H5 headlights. On one car, we went with an H5 to H4 adapters, and on this car, we're going to be actually converting our connectors to H4. We're doing this to prepare for our 911 LED Raven S headlight upgrades. I wanted to do this so that there's less wires inside the housing. Also, we can compare later because some say the H4s are brighter, but I'm not sure how this would affect the LEDs. On my white 964, it was converted to H5, and I'm going to undo this H5 conversion. On my other 964, it came with the H5s. Now let's cut some wires. I just followed the orientation of the adapter. The brown ground wire on the left, yellow and black in the middle, and white and black on the right. These are for the high beam and low beam wires. While I'm cutting the wires, I also prepare the rubber plug for the 911 headlights. In my next video, I'll show you why this needs to be trimmed down. If you aren't installing these, this is an optional step. Now, we're going to be using a wire stripper to strip these 16 gauge wires, and you only need to remove a little bit of the insulation sleeve. Now cut the wire protector sleeve too, so that you can pull each of the wires through the rubber socket. Here, we're going to crimp the terminals onto each wire. There's 4 arms on each terminal, and the top 2 arms crimp onto the wire, and the bottom 2 arms crimp onto the insulation sleeve. This will create a nice tight hold on the wire. I got these H5 to H4 adapters on Amazon, and I'm going to share these links below with you. You can also just get the socket and plug kit. All the links will be down below. So now we move to the other side, and I know this is a bit tedious and a lot of steps here because we have so many wires that we have to connect the terminals to, but I just want to make sure that I show you guys all the steps and you guys can see the details that I go through. So we're gonna do both sides. And again, the next step here is gonna be an optional step. So I also soldered the wires to the terminal just to be a little extra and make sure it was really secure. After both sides are done, we're ready to install the ceramic sockets. The terminals just click into place, and there's only one way that they go in. Now, it's time to admire your work, and your conversion is complete. Stay tuned for our next video, and we're going to be installing these 911 headlights, and we have a few more cool videos that I'm really excited to share with you guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content to come.